In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a drop cap in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. A drop cap is a great way to make your document look more polished, professional, and visually appealing, especially for reports, newsletters, articles, and formal writing. If you've ever wanted the first letter of a paragraph to stand out with a stylish, large initial, this is the perfect guide for you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, that works too, because you can add a drop cap to an existing paragraph as well. Once your document is open, find the paragraph where you want the drop cap to appear. Usually, this is the first paragraph of a section or the opening paragraph of your document. Now click and select the paragraph you want to format. This part is important because LibreOffice needs to know exactly which paragraph you want to apply the effect to. After selecting the paragraph, go up to the top menu and click Format, then choose Paragraph. This opens the paragraph settings window where you can control a lot of different layout options. Inside the paragraph window, look for the Drop Caps tab. Click on it to open the drop cap settings. Here, you'll see the option to enable display drop caps. Turn that on, and you'll notice additional settings appear depending on your version of LibreOffice. For a basic drop cap effect, you usually just need to enable the feature and keep the default style. If you want, you can also adjust how many lines the drop cap spans and how many characters are included, but for most users, the default setup works perfectly. Once the drop cap option is enabled, click OK to apply the changes. LibreOffice will instantly update the paragraph and the first letter will become larger, styled as a drop cap. This gives your document a more elegant and professional look in just a few clicks. If the drop cap doesn't appear right away, make sure you selected the paragraph itself and not just one word or part of a sentence. Also double check that you click the correct paragraph formatting option and that display drop caps is turned on. These small details usually solve the issue quickly. You can repeat the same process for any other paragraphs in your document if you want to add multiple drop caps. This is especially useful for longer documents, chapter openings, or formatted reports where you want each section to have a strong visual start. The process is simple once you've done it once, and it only takes a few moments. So to recap, open LibreOffice Writer, select your paragraph, go to Format, choose Paragraph, open the Drop Caps tab, enable Display Drop Caps, and click OK. That's all it takes to insert a drop cap in LibreOffice Writer. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.